Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Figma for UI/UX design, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Figma on your computer or browser. Create a new account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the New File button. Familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left, you will see the Pages panel where you can manage your design pages. In the center is the Design workspace, where your design will take place. To the right, you'll find the Properties panel, which adjusts settings based on what's selected. Start by selecting the Frame tool from the toolbar. Choose a device preset or create a custom frame size for your design. Use the Shape tools to draw rectangles, circles, or other shapes for your layout. Experiment with colors and gradients through the Fill options in the Properties panel. Add text using the Text tool, adjusting font styles and sizes to fit your design. Organize your design elements using Layers in the Layers panel on the left. Group elements when necessary by selecting them and pressing Command or Ctrl+G. Use the alignment tools to ensure your design maintains symmetry and spacing. If you're working with multiple screens, create additional frames for each screen in the design flow. Utilize the prototyping features to link different frames together. Select the Prototype tab in the Properties panel and drag connections between frames. Add interactions like on-click transitions or hover effects for smoother navigation. Test your prototype by clicking the Play button in the upper right corner. Share your design with others by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. Generate a shareable link or invite collaborators via email. Receive feedback directly in Figma using comments by selecting the comment icon. Export your designs by selecting frames or elements and choosing the Export option. Save your work frequently to avoid losing any progress. Explore Figma's plugins to enhance your workflow with additional tools and functionalities. Study and learn from Figma's community resources for inspiration and best practices. Continue refining your design based on user feedback and testing iterations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.